unboxing from Psycho Bombers, and I was running low on spooky bombs, so I decided I need to purchase some spooky bombs ASAP. And Psycho Bombers is they're always a winner. So first of all, look at this beautiful packaging. This is the card, and then thank you. And I've been buying from Psycho Bombers for a couple of years. I've never been unhappy with anything. And so I got a few horror bombs. So let's see what we have, because at the rate I've been using my horror bombs, it's time to re-up, because I won't make it to Halloween. So I'll be right back with all of this beautiful stuff unwrapped, because she wraps them very well. And I don't want you to have to bother with watching me unwrap. I'll be back. So hi guys. This is what we have from Psycho Bombers. We have Dracula scented in Bite Me. And Bite Me is not my favorite scent, but it makes perfect sense for this bath bomb. And I just needed a Dracula to add to my lineup. These are all $7 with the exception of the Crypt Keeper, because it's larger. I think it's called He's a Keeper. But anyway, let's go back to this. Look at this shimmery thing. Gorgeous. It's just called Witch. It's scented in Love Spell. This little guy right here, Joker, scented in Southern Gentleman, and I love this scent. Look at him. Look at him. Oh, his nose is a little damaged. Who cares? He's still gonna make a beautiful bath bomb demo. We have Baby Penny, scented in Avo Bath, which I actually love. And finally, the piece de resistance. This is He's a Keeper. Well, so my invoice says He's a Keeper, but this says The Keeper. Scented in Passionate Kisses. And I love him because he's large, he's flat, so he might actually float, which I love. I mean, it's the Crypt Keeper. Who would want to have the Crypt Keeper in their tub during the Halloween season? I don't know. All right, so what do we have again? We have Dracula. We have Witch. The Joker. I'm sorry, just called Joker. We have Baby Penny. And we have a truck going by. And then we have He's a Keeper, or The Keeper. I'm not really sure what the true name is, but yes, we have the Crypt Keeper. All of these again were $7 a piece, with the exception of this one. This one was $8. Yes, $8, because it's larger. All right, guys, that's it from Psycho Bombers. I love Psycho Bombers. Go check them out. And I will talk to you guys on the next one. Bye.